everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and welcome to my channel. If you enjoy my videos and tutorials and crafting and hauls and such, I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Today on this video, we're going to make a lantern top and I'm going to show you the tools that you need to do that, and then you will be able to create your own beautiful creation. Okay, first you're going to need a lantern. And you can use any type of lantern. I have a couple here. I'll show you. I have this one and I'm going to do on this video. And then I have this one with the top. And I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Here it is. And you can use just any lantern. You can pick one up anywhere and just make it prettier. What you will need is you'll need some of this floral foam. Just a piece of it to fit on top. I use floral tape to help secure it, but I also glue it down. So just so you know that. So you'll need picks. I use some skewers for things that don't have picks, and sometimes you'll need some chenille stems. I usually start with a bow and work around the bow. So this is ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It's really, really cute, and we're going to use that bow. This is not going to be a bow making video. And then you just need the picks of your choice to fill in your arrangement. On top of your floral foam, you'll want some type of moss or some type of covering for that. Spanish moss, this is called reindeer moss. And then the ones that I've started making, I have a little hat on them, and I was asked to use that again. And then you'll want some sort of ornament to hang down that is an accent piece, and we'll do that as well. Usually I use hot glue, my scissors, some wire cutters, and because you have to cut the stems. And then I like to use these floral picks. They really help hold things in place. And so if you don't have any of those, you don't have to. It just helps secure that a little more securely. Anyway, well, let's get started. Okay, with this particular lantern, it's not open here like a big opening. So I've fed my floral tape through first. Going to take my floral foam and I'm going to put some glue on it, and I'm going to push it down really hard onto the top here so that it will fit into this groove that's lifted up. So I want to mush it down. That's a technical term. All right, and I have the camera pulled way back, so if the view's not really great, I do apologize for that. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is wrap your floral foam around it, and this is just going to give it some security. I will glue that together just to make sure it stays, and then I also use some of those floral pins. Okay, once you have secured your foam to the top, you want to cover it with whatever moss that you're going to use. Okay, once you've basically covered your floral foam, the next step is to put on your bow. Your bow is going to be your focal point, and then everything else will be surrounding the bow. So you want to put your bow in the center of the top here. And if you don't use wire, like I used a chenille stem here, that won't go into this. So I do need some wire or a skewer or something to poke my bow in so that it will stay, and it's going to secure really well. But that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put my bow in the top here. For this particular bow, I am going to use one of the floral pins because you don't have a lot of foam here. So we're just going to poke that in right here, and now our bow is in there. Now everything else will be filler into the bow area, and it's going to actually secure the bow as well. Okay, so you can see on the arrangement how everything is kind of built around the bow, and it just flows around it. Looks really, really pretty like that. And so we're going to add one more piece. We're going to add a top hat. I took the stem out. It was an ornament from the Dollar Tree, so I took that out. And I've put a little 3D white paint from the Dollar Tree. This is what I found. It's actually for fabric. And then I added a little glitter to it. And it looks like snow on there. And I'll probably shake it one more time. And then I'm going to put a skewer through here, through the hat. And I'm going to take the skewer and wrap it with the little wooden skewer. I'm going to put it through here. I'm going to wrap it with floral tape. And then I'm going to put it on top. And it's going to be really, really cute. So I'm going to do that. The other thing that I'm going to do is add this adorable truck Merry Christmas ornament and hang it here. Now, I don't want to hang it too low. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. There we go. I'm going to hang it here right in the front because this is where the door opens for the lantern. Oh, right here. And so they'll put their candle in here. And so I'm going to be aware of the door opening. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll be done. Okay, and now we're done. So basically, you saw the process. It's pretty simple. Just know the steps to get to it. I added some extra ribbon on the sides, and it's full. If you feel like it's not full enough, you can still add more to each side. You do want to make sure you cover the back as well, even though you won't be, you know, displaying the back necessarily. So anyway, that's how you put together an arrangement on a lantern. And I just want to thank you for watching. Most of this came from the Dollar Tree, so thank you, Dollar Tree, for the inexpensive, beautiful decorations that we can add and make something that looks exquisite and lovely. So thank you for watching. I hope I've inspired you to create something beautiful. Have a great night.